Oh, we go away. Oh, we go away. Oh, we go away. Oh, 200 points. 200 points. 200 points, Billy. 200 points. God, he's too good. I gotta take. This is why I can't be on the internet. Can't put me on the internet. He's too good. You can't even see my entry. It's so fucking far down there. Oh man, Twitter's a funny place. I like Twitter. Can you take me higher? Look at this. From the 277s, long from the 277s, off the VWAP there earlier, boys and girls. Off the VWAP there earlier. Woke up from my nap, a little nappy nap, came back, saw this. I was like, are you kidding me? This is too good to be true. Off of the VWAP there this morning. I might just stop trading in the morning. I'm like, oh, these morning moves have just been absolutely dog shit. And then look at that. After 12 o'clock, just an insane 200-point move to the upside. What the fuck, man? What the fuck? Power hour, baby. We're back. We're back in the power, in the hour. Just put up a new video talking about fast track trading. If you guys want to learn more about it, there's a link there in the chat. Should I take profit up 200 points? I think we're going to go through 19,500 next. So, yeah, ICT over there making more bets with other people. The guy is so full of shit at this point. Like, will you just shut up and actually trade? Like, I just don't get it. At this point, he has never just actually traded. Yeah, all he does is talk about, like, oh, I'm going to win the Robbins Cup. Oh, I'm going to make 11,000% return. But why does he not just do it? Why sit around all day talking about it, but never actually doing it? I don't fucking get it. It's like, just do it already. Like, just shut the fuck up and do it. It would be so easy at this point for ICT to prove the entire world, right? Just prove to the entire world. Be like, hey, everybody, I want you all to see. I want you all to see this. I want you guys to see me make 11,000. Like, he would get so much, so many people. He would be on the news. He'd be on fucking world. He'd be on the world news tonight, right? With him and Kamala Harris would be hanging out. They'd be like, Kamala Harris would call him and be like, hey, ICT, we saw that you made 11,000% return. Can you come and help us? Come to the White House and trade for us. Just come on. Just come on, man. All right, I got one runner left here from the 277s right now. We are long 19,277. I'm looking for a possible 500 push here. We got a pivot point to the upside up there at the 19,520s. Would be nice. So we'll see if we get it. It's a beautiful day here in Hawaii. The sun is shining. The waves are breaking. I'm going to go surfing after the power hour. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Is there a 15-minute range for after hours? I mean, you could trade like the London Open 15-minute range if you're trading, depending on what time frame, you know, what time zone you're trading on. Mark my words, you'll request him to teach you. Like ICT is going to teach me? That'd be nice. I would love to know exactly where the market's going to go at all times. I would be very appreciative of that. I wish he would just teach me. Teach me how to make 11,000% return. Teach me, please. Teach me, please. I'm still trading the September contracts. I have not rolled over. I have not rolled over. We are still long here. Got one contract long from the 277 still. I was like, I'm up 200 points on this. I'm getting greedy. At this point, I want to see that 19,500 end of day break. You know. So. Yeah, he said he's going to win the Robbins Cup in 3 days. Wow. That's actually, what's funny about that is that that's actually impossible. It's actually impossible for a couple reasons. The reason that it's actually impossible, what people don't understand is, so inside the Robbins Cup, if you're trading through the Robbins Cup, the margin requirements are insane. For every one NASDAQ contract, you have to have $10,000 worth of margin. So if you even want to trade two contracts, you have to double your account. You have to double your account to 20,000. So that means you have to make 100% return to even get to a point where you can trade two contracts. So what it's like, it would be impossible to do it in 3 days to make 11,000% return. It would actually be impossible. Like you just, but mathematically you couldn't do it. So do I roll over? I roll over when I roll over, man. When the market rolls over, I roll over. You know, it's just like when I rolls, it rolls. I don't know. I just wait for the volume to get to a point on a certain contract, and then I'm like, all right, let me do it. You know, let me do it now. Now, there is a point, though, where you're like, all right, it's time to roll. But right now, it's not time to roll yet. We need more volume on the other contract. So you're saying there's a chance. No, it's actually mathematically impossible to make 11,000% return in 3 days trading through a Robin account. Like, even if the market went up 10,000 points, like, it would still be impossible. Like, the market would, if it went up 10,000 points, it would still be impossible to make 11,000% return. To turn $10,000 into whatever $1 million, like, it would be impossible. And mathematically, you know, 1 + 1, I get it. It don't make no sense to everybody else, but, you know, it don't work like that, people. Are there any important levels to look for power hour like you do? Not really. I mean, just kind of looking to see, you know, how high we can get. We had that big bullish move end of day, so we consolidated there. We made that bull flag, bull channel. We pushed up. Now we're pushing up here. If we look, you know, we identified kind of that 19,500 area not pre-market, before the market opened this morning on the live stream. We talked about kind of this setup here, right? Trying to push back up and touch that. It's kind of like a cup and handle. Not a sexy one, but like kind of a cup and handle. It's like a cup and handle, right? I have not started trading the fast track trading. I got 6 fast track trading accounts, but the problem is I only have a Mac. I only have Mac here in Hawaii. My computer at home is a PC, but my computer here in Hawaii is a Mac Mini. So I think Motive Wave, people were saying that you could trade on Motive Wave with a Rhythmic Rhythmic on a Mac. Anybody? Yeah, Motive Wave, right? Guys, how much can you make $300,000 account? 1 million. Time for a trip to Walmart. No. I think Motive Wave is fine. You were hoping that you could see PW versus ICT live. Oh, good luck. No, I did the ACH payment. ACH payment, I did it pretty much like Monday night, and then Tuesday the account was activated, so it seems to work pretty well. I think they're working on better payment options in the future. We'll see. But by the way, I'm still using Apex. People out there are like, oh my God, you left Apex? I have not left Apex. Still trading Apex. Still trading Take Profit Trader. Still trading. I actually have some Top Step accounts now. I'm trying to get on that Top Step leaderboard. I want to put my name on the leaderboard, then I'm just going to retire forever. Make $300,000 in 5 Top Step funded accounts and then say peace. They can't keep me off the leaderboard, damn it. They can try to kick me when I'm down, but they can't keep me off the leaderboard. Did the double bottom give me an idea to go long? Kind of, yeah. You can see very much like this kind of almost like inverse, just like a little W set up there. Kind of like that. Once we got back above the VWAP here, we're like, all right, let's take this for the move up. So you gotta love it. The best part about this is even if you were patient and you waited, we talked like, hey, let's say you were patient and you waited for kind of that break, get above this resistance, and then there's that kind of pullback into the VWAP. You had a little bull flag set up. So through kind of back above the 19,300s, there's your, 175 points to the upside there. So VWAP, 2-minute chart, it's a beautiful thing. You can see on the 5-minute chart as well. Bang, right off the VWAP there. 19,282 was the low there. So we'll see what happens here end of day. Do we get more continuation similar to yesterday? We got less than an hour and 10 minutes until the bell. Jose said he got out at the first pullback. Hey, that happens, my friend. Trust me. If I had $1 for, oh Lord, right now NASDAQ pulling back here hard, going into power hour, 19,400. Do. This is kind of what I think we needed that pullback there. Oh, Lord. These candles today have been absolutely crazy. Like, well, what is, look at this. Oh, Lord. ICT contraps entered me on that drop. Let's go. Wow. They did? That's so amazing. What'd you do? Was there a fair value gap, equal highs? Did you go short right here? And then, oh, it's amazing. How amazing. So beautiful. Order blocks. Woo, so beautiful. Jeffrey, yeah, we're looking for the next setup. What? Relax. You telling me to look for the setup. That's what we're doing. Don't you worry about me, little buddy. Daddy's here. Daddy is here, Jeffrey. Don't you worry. No, you did not. You made $1,000 in your funded account on one contract? This bitch is crazy. God damn it. Victoria is crazy, people. She's up $1,000. She just made $1,000 on that short. What the fuck? What in the actual fuck? How did you do that? You're a crazy person. How did did you took 2 trades on that 1 minute candle. This girl, she gets in, gets out. She gets in and she gets out, man. It's crazy. That's some funny shit right there. Yo, this girl lit. This girl lit. You're gonna get me all hot and bothered. You have to go back to bed. Gonna have to go back, take another nap, if you know what I mean. You gotta be all hot and bothered seeing that green, baby. Woo. Not only is she good looking, but now she's a trader. Oh God, I might be out of a job pretty soon. Victoria is gonna take my job. I'm actually amazed right now. NASDAQ right back up now. These moves today have been just account blowers. I mean, it has actually just been insane, these moves today. So, like I said earlier, I took a long earlier off the VWAP. 277 is my entry. I got 1 contract left. I was trying to get that pushed above the 19,500 just so I could post it up on YouTube, you know, tell everybody that I'm the #1 day trader in the entire world. But I think I'm going to move my stop now. This is the stop. You can see my entry down there, 277.50 from earlier. And so we're up over 100 points here. I was up 200 points when we were up here, but that big old drop came out of nowhere. So we'll keep our stop there for 100 points, and then we'll see what happens. Look for another setup here, end of day maybe. Oh my God. Now it's just going straight back up. Who bought that dip? Who bought that dip? All right, going, we got 3 minutes until 3 o'clock. I would like to see maybe another bull flag set up to get that push above the 19,500. Like I said, I got this 1 contract from earlier there from the 277s when we got back above the VWAP on 100 points on that last contract there. And we'll see if we can get through the 21 EMA now. Just being patient. Let's see what happens. Oh my, what is this? This price action today is absolutely insane. Honestly, like it's crazy right now. This shit's crazy. Are you not impressed? Are you not impressed? Are you not impressed? This is crazy. What a move. What a move. What a move. It's happening. It's so happening. It's so much happening here. Wow. $100 points straight back up. 100 points down, 100 points straight back up. I have not seen. I mean, I've been trading the NASDAQ, I feel like, for 2-3 years now, and these drops and these pops today have just been insane. How the fuck do we drop 100 points straight down and then 100 points right back up? Who's doing what? Like someone's doing something crazy. Somebody, I think it's ICT, man. He's fucking with the stock market. The market makers. I saw someone the other day. It was so funny. They were like, Patrick, don't you know that pretty soon nobody's going to be able to trade because the market makers are going to change all the algorithms. Nobody's going to know what to do. I'm like, what? That's the best part about trading momentum. At the end of the day, it's like, well, you don't really have to know what to do. You just got to trade what is happening. If the market wants to break out, go higher, then you trade that. I don't know. It's funny. Shaking the longs. I mean, they definitely shaked out the longs, didn't they? Holy God. There's no way. If this thing goes all the way back up to 19,500 right here, it's going to be just fucking amazing. How am I still in this trade? I don't even know. How am I still long right now? Still long off that 277s. Got my stop at 377. Let me get that 200 points. You tell me, chat. Should I lock it in for 200 or should I let it run all the way till the bell? Till the bell? Or let it run? Let's see. Let me know on the poll. Do we let it run or do we let it run to the bell? Right now, the poll is 32% said let it run and 57% let it run to the bell. I don't know. It seems a little tipsy. It looks a little 50-50. It's a little 50-50, man. Profit target would be that pivot point to the upside. Maybe more. 19,500 area. Risk it to the bell. All right. The chat has decided. 41% voted to let it run, and then 59% let it run to the bell. I think that's the same thing. I think that's the same. I'm not sure, but I think that's the same. All right. I like it. if you follow me on Instagram, do me a little favor. That I posted a little reel yesterday. Everybody that, if you repost my reel from yesterday on Instagram, I'll repost you on my feed. So you help me help you. You know, you repost the reel from yesterday of me trading, and then I'll repost you reposting it. You know, just if anyone wants to get freaky out there. Guys, can you please help me? How much are you allowed to make on a 300K in day one? Of what prop firm, bro? What? Come on, give us. You gotta get. You know, you gotta get me something better to say. Sorry, I got bed hair. You know, I've been in the bed doing the bed stuff. Blame Victoria. She's running her fingers through my hair. Oh, I gotta fix it. Apex. It's 1 day pass. It's 1 day pass. So you can make as much money as you want in 1 day with a $300,000 account. Or are you talking about, like, is it a funded account? Is it a PA account? Well, you got to give me more specifics, sir. Bro, what's your plan when volatility for future starts to lower and you can't momentum trade? Are you full of shit? It's never, the volatility at this point is not, we're about to go into the most volatile part of the year. You know, like, what you talking about? Come on, man. All right, I'm bullish, you know, thinking we're going to try to push up here end of day. I've still got a long going. I guess that's maybe why I'm bullish, but right now we're holding. I'm long from the 277s earlier. I might try to add into some other accounts if we break out from here. That 19,500 area looking real juicy up there. So right now, just kind of sitting back here waiting for the right opportunity. Get this push straight up here. What are my thoughts on the debate? I mean, I don't know, man. It's like, it's a joke at this point, you know? I mean, I'm not even like gonna sit here and be like, oh yeah, Donald Trump did an amazing job. Like, they both just sit there and like don't actually fucking talk. It's just like, let's just fucking argue with each other and never actually say anything. And like, all Donald Trump had to do is go on to the debate and not once, if he would have just not responded to anything that she said and only focused on like actually saying what he's going to do, then it would have been game over. But instead, like, why go on there and like debate with her? All you have to say is like, anytime she says something, you just go, hey, wait, aren't you the acting vice president now? So every issue that we have, you could fix it if you wanted to, right? Like, you could fix the problems that we have right now, but you choose not to. Why? So you're telling me that I should elect you, and then once you're the president, you're going to fix all the problems. Because right now, you're the vice president, and the actual president is at the beach sleeping. You know, it's like, people are like, yeah, but she's not the president. I'm like, well, who's the president? Because Joe Biden is fucking brain dead. You know, like, who's the president? Yeah, I mean, I don't get it, so... All right, we're still pushing here. NASDAQ trying to go. Going into power hour, baby. And yeah, I mean, the moderators are fucking idiots. David Murr and that other girl. I mean, it's just a joke. Come on. It's like the whole January 6th thing, like constantly, like let's blame Donald Trump for an insurrection. Donald Trump created an insurrection. Donald Trump, you know, it's like, maybe, you know, at the end of the day, instead of blaming Donald Trump, let's just ask ourselves, like, why is it that people felt compelled, you know, people felt like compelled to do what they did that day? Like, why is that? You know, is it maybe the fact that like people were tired of the bullshit? You know, maybe the people in America are fucking tired of the same bullshit constantly every fucking day. It's like a politician just being like, well, you know, the problem with the government is it's not because of me. You know, I'm a politician, but it's not because of me. It's because of them. Everybody's like, it's always just constantly pointing fucking fingers and crying. And it's no longer like Congress and the government is no longer about actually doing a job. It's just about trying to point out why the person you're running against is a worse candidate than you. That's like, I don't get it. There's not one fucking politician out there who's actually doing shit. So they just have to sit around and be like, yeah, but you should vote for me because the other guy, he's bad. I'm good, he's bad. But like, why? Well, I don't know exactly, but he's just a bad person. You know, like, come on. Get on it. Kamala won. Oh, God. Please stop. You want to go to the VIP room? No problem. I got you, buddy. Focus on the trade. We're focusing, guys. What do you want me to do right now? We're looking at the setup. You know, I mean, hey, fucking relax. If you don't like it, go fuck yourself and get out of here. I seriously don't give a fuck. You're going to cry about me talking about fucking, you know, stuff that should be talked about. Patrick, don't talk about politics. I just told you, if we break out to the upside here, we're going to go up. I can't fucking make the market move. I'm focused. Guys, I'm so focused on this trade right now. Like, come on. I'm so focused right now. I'm making the market go up. Look at it. All right, don't look at anything. Don't look at the chat. Don't look at nothing. Just look at this chart. Look at this chart. Okay, it's going up. Oh, no, it's going down. Oh, red candle. Oh, green candle. No, red candle. Oh, it's coming back. Oh, red. Now going green. Okay, if it pushes up here, it might go higher. Get ready. Oh, no, it's going down. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Back up. Yes. Okay, no, it's down. No, maybe it goes up now. Oh, here, no. Oh, still looking, still focused. Very focused here. I am so focused on the trade. I cannot talk about anything else. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit, it's going down. Oh, it's red. Red candle. Okay, guys. Here we go. Yeah, we're pulling back. 50s now. Okay, 52, 51. Oh, 47. Oh, they're 48, 46, 45. It's going down again. Oh, fuck. Like, come on. Like, what do you want me to do here? What do you want me to do? Like, wait for something good to happen, you know, and then we take make some money on it. Patrick, focus on the trade. Okay, relax. God. I mean, we got this little breakout signal here. We're breaking out of this trend line. I mean, it's definitely, look at this fucking 5-minute chart. I'd be very surprised that if we don't go higher here. I mean, we dropped 100 points and then ripped right back up there 100 points. So that, you know, I feel like the bears are definitely getting tight right now. They're getting worried. Patrick, why you always complain? I don't know. Hey, I'm going to send you to I'll put you in the VIP room and you can complain in the VIP room. I saw today that they posted about how America paid $1 trillion in interest payments on the debt. That, you know what's correct? Like, literally, we paid $1 trillion in interest payments. And nobody's like, oh, no problem here. Sounds good to me. You know? No problem. And by the way, so the government collects $4 trillion in taxes total. 2.8 trillion individual income taxes, 400 billion in corporate tax, and then 1.6 trillion in payroll tax. So literally they're paying $1 trillion for the interest on the debt, and we as individuals are paying 2 trillion. Like, that's fucking crazy. Like, half of the income, half of the tax income that we pay in is just going to pay debt, just going to pay the interest. That's great. We're fucked. Actually, we're fucked. Like, that's crazy. You know, like, that's actually crazy. People are like, how are people not more concerned about this? Like, oh, that's not good. You know, that sounds like a bad business. No. That's like a bad business. Who do they pay the interest to? They pay it to the Fed, and then the Fed, it's all a scam. It's all just like it's all a fugazi. It's not real, man. It's not real. It's fake. I think we got to put Elon Musk up as president. Look what he did with Twitter. Elon Musk fired everybody at Twitter, and now Twitter's doing better than ever. I think Elon Musk literally fired like 95% of the total Twitter employees, and now Twitter's doing better than it ever has. How is that possible? You're not a real man. Yeah, I'm not real, baby. I'm fake. Elon is a con too. I mean, hey. Whatever. They quit. They weren't fired. Well, I think they were fired. All right, sorry. Back to the binoculars. We're focused. No more talk. All right, I think, we're holding here, looking bullish. We can push up. Right? I mean, that would be the theory. If you're looking for a long, try to get this push up off the 450 area. 2-minute chart right now, holding up here. Well, I think the reason that maybe if Twitter's not making as much money as it was before, it's because all of the woke media, the liberal media, doesn't want to pay for the ads like they used to. That's probably why. That would be probably the issue. Because back in the day, Twitter was fucking woke as shit. And like anything that was posted that made sense was like basically put down, and everything that didn't make sense would basically be put up. So, I guess it's a an argument, I guess, we can all make. I don't know. I think Shaw has the cleanest Cybertruck in Miami. Who the fuck's Shaw? Kamala Harris can, what? I mean, she is, I don't care what any person on this fucking planet says. If you believe that Kamala Harris, and it's not even that I'm defending Trump, right? Like I said before, if you believe that Kamala Harris has any ability to actually be president, you are a fucking moron, right? And again, I'm not saying that Trump is the best. What I'm saying is, at the end of the day, Kamala Harris herself is a fucking moron. So if you believe that Kamala Harris is also, if you think she's smart enough to be president, you are a fucking moron. Like, I'm sorry. I apologize, but it's the truth. I mean, she is literally a fucking moron. I mean, come on. I would have voted for, a good Democrat. Honestly, I would have voted for a good Democrat president if there was one. Like, I'd had no problem doing that. People are gonna be like, yeah, but you're a Trump supporter. I'm honestly not. Like, I would have been totally fine voting for somebody with a fucking brain. If the Democrats would have put somebody up there that wasn't a fucking moron, I would have voted for them. But the fact that the Democrats put Kamala Harris up there, well, now I gotta vote for Trump because she is literally fucking a moron. You're a moron. Come on. Somebody give me one thing that Kamala Harris has done. One thing that makes her qualified to be president. One thing. I would just love to know one thing. Other than suck Montel Williams' dick and then the other, governor or mayor dick. Only thing she's ever done in life is suck a couple dicks to get where she's at. Let's be honest. She's good at giving blowjobs. I don't know if that qualifies you to be president. I don't know. She banned plastic straws. Remember the whole thing she talked about it? She's like, the worst is when you have a paper straw and it gets caught. And she's like, get out of here. I mean, like I've said before, I don't love Trump. I think he says some insanely stupid shit that he probably shouldn't say. But at the end of the day, like if I had to pick one or the other, I would pick Trump. I think Trump is a better, option to be president of the United States because he can actually deal with other countries. You got to think the president of the United States at the end of the day there's one job. It's a figurehead job, right? Like you're not really doing that much. Your job really is to instill confidence, in the people, instill confidence in the world. When the world looks at Kamala Harris, they're like, who in the fuck? Like if I'm Putin and I'm in Russia, I would be laughing my ass off. I'd be like, guys, hey everybody, come here. They're gonna put this bitch up as president. I would be, I'd be like, what the fuck? I'd be dying laughing. It'd be the funniest shit. I would literally, if I was Putin, I'd just be laughing because I'm like, this is gonna be some funny shit. It'd just be funny. Putin actually said they prefer Kamala. Yeah, because Putin's they know she's a dum-dum, and they're not worried about her. They're worried about Trump. That's the difference. Every other president in the world would love for America to have fucking Kamala Harris because everybody else in the world wants us to fail. All right? They're like, hey, hopefully America fucking keeps on fucking up because they're just getting dumber and dumber over there. Rest of the world sitting around laughing at America right now. Coconut trees, they gotta clean the coconut trees. What do you use for copy trading? I use the Trade of 8 groups. Wow, this market really has just gone sideways here, huh? Really gone sideways. We are sitting back, waiting and watching. Can we get this push? We pretty much just need to get this breakout here on the 15-minute chart, right? Get above these two wicks, and then I think we're kind of pushing up here end of day. So as of right now, just kind of waiting to see if we can get above these two wicks on the 15-minute chart. Easy peasy mac and cheesy, baby, right? Just a little easy peasy mac and cheesy, you know what I mean? You know what I mean, man? You know what I mean, man? You know what I mean. You know what I'm putting down, right? Y'all know what I'm putting down here. I'm still long from the 277s. My entry's so far down, I can't even show it. 277 long there. Right now, we are got one contract left. I got my stop at 377. That's 100 points, but I'm greedy right now, people. I want that 200, 300 point mover. I want to be able to post it on the Twitter and be like, look at me, I'm the #1 day trader on the YouTube. Yay! How-wee! How-woo! How-wee-woo! How-wee-woo-woo-woo! The best is, there's people out there that watch this stream and are like, dude, how the fuck does this guy have any idea what he's doing? It's all just a show. I have no idea. I just get lucky sometimes. Buy low, sell high. Hey, watch out for those fuckers eating your pets, man. I don't know, man. Hey, there's some crazy shit in the world. You gotta watch out for the the people in Springfield, Ohio, eating your pets. They're gonna eat your pets. There was a video. There was police body cam footage of a woman eating a cat. Like, I mean, I don't know exactly what the situation was, but there is actual police body cam footage that does exist. It is very much real, of this woman literally like on someone's driveway laying there like fucking with some cat. I don't know what she was doing. She might have been crazy, but like it was real, you know, like she was eating it. I don't know. Because she had no food. I mean, hey, maybe. But don't worry. Kamala Harris is going to give everybody in America free money. Don't you worry. $25,000 for new home buyers. Right? Everybody's going to get $25,000 for new homes. What I'm going to do is my plan. I have a plan, right? This is my plan. If Kamala gets elected, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move to Mexico. I'm going to renounce my U.S. citizenship. And then I'm going to sneak back through the border. Once I sneak back through the border, I'm going to seek asylum in America, right? And then they're going to give me free money. And then I'm going to live. I told you guys, I got this shit figured out. I'm going to go to Mexico, you know, get a little tan, lay at the beach for a little bit. Once Kamala takes over as president, I'm going to sneak back across the border, and then I'm going to ask for asylum. And then I'm going to get free money for the rest of my life. I cannot wait. I have figured it out. Everybody else is an idiot. Y'all be like, y'all thinking like about making money. And I'm over here thinking like, wait, if I go to Mexico, I give up citizenship. I then become a Mexican citizen. But then I ask for asylum. Then I pay no taxes. I live in America for free. They pay for my rent. I'm fucking in. I'm in, man. That's some good shit right there. Nobody's thinking like me. I'm thinking 4D chest, maybe 5D. You know, like you're getting hit with the smells and the spit at the same time. Little, you know, a little bit. You're getting hit from every angle. And I'm going to identify as a, non-binary Pokemon Furby character. That's also going to be on there. That's going to help me get more money from the government because they're like, wait. You're a Furby? You're a Pokemon? Oh, Pokemon get double the amount of money because we got to help you catch them all. I got to be a comedian. I got to be a fucking comedian, I swear. This day trading shit is just not for me. The comedian life is the way to go. Imagine how many pesos you would have. Wait, how many pesos would I have? I just hope I get a free cell phone, man. I've always wanted, I'm like, this iPhone, I pay a lot of money for this thing. It's expensive. I was just like, what if I get a free cell phone, a free hotel room? I'm going to set up my live streaming station in the free hotel room at the hotel in New York City. Putin says that Kamala laughs so heartily that she must be very content with her life. What's a Furby? You don't know what a Furby is, bro? You got to look it up. I don't know if it's a Furby or it's this. There's a fur something. There's something, right, about a fur person. There is. There's fur people out there. Furry people. I'm going to search it on Google. See, I found it right away. Furry people. There's furries. This is a furry. They dress up. Dress up like a Furby. Look at them. Look how they're so nice. And then you go to a convention and then you dance around with your other Furbies. Yeah, this is my gender. I don't know about you guys, but y'all are fucking it up. Y'all are wasting your time. Look at these people. They're living the dream. Furries. The basics. What is a furry? Furries are people who have interest in anthropomorphosis, which specifically refers to giving human characteristics to animals. In its most distilled form, furries are a group of people who formed a community or fandom because they have a common interest in anthropomorphic media, friendships, and social inclusion. Ooh. All those litter boxes, I'm signing up for this shit. Y'all are on the wrong, y'all have no idea. Y'all got no idea what you're doing. Ooh. 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 Ooh, it's getting freaky out. Now I'm looking at the sexy furries. I can't even show you guys because they're getting a little graphic. Ooh, sexy furry. Sexy fear of there's a color. I might have to get this new coloring book. Victoria, I found a new coloring book for you. Sexy furry coloring book, 25 pages, $7.99. Victoria, whenever she's like bored, she likes to little coloring book. We're gonna get her a sexy furry coloring book. Honey, we're becoming furries. Get ready, honey. We are getting ready here, people. The future is now. Adapt or die. Oh yeah, I'm still long. I want 200 points. 200 points, please. Long from the 277s there earlier. Look at that. Oh, Lord. I'm the craziest motherfucker on the internet. Yeah, I saw that on Entourage where Turtle, that woman wanted to fuck Turtle. It's funny, his name's Turtle. Wanted to fuck the turtle. All right. This nice little push up here. I'm still looking for that force. We get through that 460 area. Victoria's sending me some photos of some outfits she's gonna wear later for the furry party. Oh God, I hope her grandma or grandpa is not watching. Rated R, kids. Don't watch at home with your family watching. No kids allowed. Power hour. We're getting crazy out here, people. Getting crazy for the power hour. We got 30 minutes till the bell. 30 minutes to the bell. Somebody said, with the drop at 248, was your account not blown? Why would my account be blown if I'm long from 277? I'm not the best at math, but if I got long at 277 and it dropped from 460 to 377, I'm not the best. I'm still learning. 1 + 1 = 3. One plus 1 = 3. NASDAQ. Looking for this push. End of day here. We had a huge push up there yesterday. If you guys tuned in yesterday, let's see if we get a repeat today. Right now, just kind of holding on there, baby. We're just holding. We're just holding there. The trailing drawdown goes away once you get above the buffer with Apex. There is no longer any trailing drawdown. So like the 50K account, once you get over $2,600 total profit, the trailing drawdown goes away. Your drawdown becomes basically 50,000. That's pretty much the same rule for pretty much every prop firm out there. What's my final take profit? That pivot point up there looks pretty sweet. Maybe, I don't know. I mean, it's only gone sideways since this big drop, so Pretty weird. Pretty weird. When the OnlyFans, I don't know, man. I make the most money on the computer. Do you guys wear your pants up here? I like to put mine, you know, right above my belly button right there. That's kind of where I put it at, right there, you know. Keep them high. You never know, something might fall out. How do you have your pivot points set? I don't know. People always ask me this. I don't change anything. I don't, like, literally all of my stuff, all of my indicators, everything is set to default. So I don't understand why my indicator looks different from your indicator. I don't know. Are you on coke? No. Thanks for asking, though. Do you exclusively trade prop firms? No, I trade live account as well. This thing is getting real tight. I gotta go to the bathroom. I want to go to the bathroom. I want to go to the bathroom. If I go to the bathroom right now, the market's going to go straight up. So I'm kind of like, I don't want to go to the bathroom. But I really got to go pee right now. Fuck. Is your course allowed for 15-year-olds? Are you really 15? Like, are you really 15 or are you like pretending to be 15? Because if you're really 15, I will give you the course for free. But if you're not 15, I don't know, man. If you're really 15, I'd give it to you for free. All right, I'm going to the bathroom. Look at them. The choppers, how little they are. There's 4 of them. What are they doing? Looks like they're fucking going to Russia. Is it going up? The Russians? Oh, God. I always love the idiots in the chat that are like, Patrick, how much drugs do you do? Hey, I understand that you have a very low IQ. Your brain is very slow. So when somebody who is highly functioning, who is absolutely killing it at life, when somebody is doing better than you, you have to, be like, oh, that guy, he's on drugs. There's no way that anybody can talk that much, be that smart, be that good looking, have that hot of a girlfriend, and be so successful without doing drugs. There's no way. I get it, but I don't do the drugs. I have my brain. Like how big my brain, like if you think about it, my skull, right? Like my actual skull is very large. So your brain can only be as big as your skull. And everybody uses, like 10% of their brain? So, like, in terms of actual mass, my brain is much larger than your brain. Unless you have a bigger head than me, which you probably don't, because this motherfucker's big. So let's just be honest. I'm smarter, I'm better looking, and I'm just better at life. Haters gonna hate. Guess what? I'm sitting in Hawaii looking out at the waves right now. And other people are going to give me advice. People are going to be like, Patrick, you shouldn't talk about politics. Patrick, you shouldn't do this. Like, well, You know what? You know what? You know what? Let me just do me and you do you, and we'll tally up at the end. How about that? When it's all said and done, when we're up in heaven, we'll talk about it then. You can tell me how you told me. Oh, Patrick, I told you that you shouldn't have done that. I told you, Patrick. What was your entry? I got in long much earlier down there, 277 area, and I was looking for a push. You can see my entry down there, 277s, just kind of holding this thing. I really thought we would push up there above that 19,400s. I posted it on Twitter, by the way, so don't be like, but you never tell us. Patrick, you never tell us. I posted it on fucking Twitter. Here you go. Look at it. This was at 6:57, so what time was that? East Coast time, I don't know. Long off the VWAP, targeting that 19,400 plus. But Patrick, why do you never tell us? Why? 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 What are your politics? Very simple. Freedom, less taxes, less bullshit. That would be my running. That would be like literally all I need to say. Less bullshit, less taxes, freedom. Marry who you want, have an abortion, I don't give a fuck. Do whatever you want to do. Just make sure you don't hurt anybody else. And yeah, no freebies. If you don't work hard, you don't get free shit. Very simple. Make America great again, Stop giving away free shit and actually make people who work hard get rewarded. No more money to any country. Every other country is just cutting the fuck off. Close the borders. No more immigrants. No more bullshit. Let's make America. Let's pave the fucking roads in America in gold. And then we'll open the borders again. But until then, shut it all down. Let's make America great before we worry about the rest of the fucking world, Let's just focus on America. It's that simple, Like, America is not fucking, not here to help every other fucking country in the world. No. Let us do us, Let's make America great. Let's double down on teachers. Let's pay teachers more money. Let's help the veterans that come back from war, etc. Let's focus on the mental health crisis in America. Let's not talk about all the, the hate for people. Let's focus on the fact that there is a mental health crisis in America. Guns don't kill people. People kill people, right? You can talk about how you want to ban guns all you want, but it's simple. Guns don't kill people. People kill people. If you take away the guns, they're going to find another way. So we have to focus on what the actual issue is, and that's the mental health crisis in America. There is a very, very large mental health crisis in America. It has nothing to do with fucking guns. It's just the fact that there are too many fucking crazy people in this country. I mean, the drug thing, just fucking make drugs, also just make drugs legal, honestly. Like, like at that point, fuck it. My brother was my brother was doing heroin. My brother was doing drugs. My mom did drugs. It didn't matter what you did. Take away the drugs, put them in fucking rehab, put them in jail, whatever it is. Like, it doesn't stop them from wanting to do drugs. So, all the time that my brother went to jail for whatever dumb shit he got arrested for, you think he went to jail and became a better person? No, he went to jail and sat around with other drug addicts figuring out how to get high. And that's the truth. There is not one thing that came good. There was not one good benefit of him getting arrested for drugs. He got kicked out of high school. He got expelled from high school for having drugs at school. And then after that, what are you going to do? You're 16 years old. You now expelled from high school because you got caught with pills because you're addicted to drugs. And now you're no longer in school. What are you going to do? You think you're going to be an outstanding citizen? No. You're going to fuck around. You're going to find out. You're going to keep doing drugs. You know, like, where's your brother now? My brother's dead. Overdosed. That's normally the outcome for most people that do heroin and drugs. So, all right, NASDAQ trying to break out here. We're getting closer and closer to that 950 algorithm. If this thing starts running, I'm just going all in full port above that 60 level. Wait, did it break above 60? 64, above this little yellow line. I'm just kidding. Do not go all in, people. I'm an idiot, all right? You guys are smart. I'm the idiot. So don't do like me. Be better. Be better than me, all right? Be better. Should I take 200 points right here? The poll still says let it run to the bell. Fuck. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I'm crazy. This guy's crazy, man. She's trying to break out. She's trying to break out. The course is worth it. Fuck yeah, the course is worth it. It's $200 to learn how to actually day trade. If somebody would have if I would have had the knowledge that course gives people, like if I would have had that 7 years ago, 8 years ago, do you know how fucking good at trading I would be right now? I wasted so much time fucking around with every stupid strategy and trading different bullshit. You know, when I first started, like, I had no idea what I was doing. But the idea of like actually having a legitimate strategy and an idea of how to trade for $200, like, holy fuck, that blows my mind. Like, I would be like, wow, I wish I could go back in time and like literally just go through my course. Like, that would have been nice, you know? That would be real nice. Be real nice. Move the stop up. Okay. I'm going to move the stop up here right below. Let's go right below 410 here, just to give it a little bit of room in case that 350 algorithm gets wild. In case it gets wild here, all right? Moving our stop up, last contract of the day. We're up from the 277s right now. We can't break to the upside here, just going absolutely sideways since this big drop happened. We had a 100-point drop the downside. We ripped right back up. Ugh. When does your competition with ICT begin? It's already begun. I'm already winning the competition. He's losing. He's a loser. In January 2025, I will have officially destroyed ICT in every single manner. I have everything. It's all going down. 2025, he'll have no more room to stand on at that point. Every claim that he's ever made will be debunked. It's over. He dug himself the biggest hole ever, and the water is literally pouring in from every angle. It's over. It's over. How did I find this entry? Check out the setup down here. We got the VWAP. Had the VWAP. Little double bottom here. 2-minute chart. Doot. Little W. You know, Patrick Wieland W there. Whee! Getting back above the VWAP there. And a nice little push. So, not bad. This is all in the textbook trading there in the course. What if he does it? He won't do it. Are you kidding me? Come on. It's literally impossible. It's impossible. If he would have done it, why would he not already be on the leaderboard? You know, like what? He's going to wait till the last month of the year to get on the leaderboard? Come on. He told everybody he was going to make 11,000% return. And as of right now, he's made 0 return. So, you know. Here we go. 9:50 a.m. algorithm coming up. 350 for you mainlanders, all you mainlanders. If you can make $4,000 in a day, what can he do? Not make $4,000 in a day because he trades demo? I don't know. Basically, you know. Market still stuck below our entry level for the longs. Now I'm going to get stopped out here. It's all good, though. Got my stop right here. Still over 100 points there. Letting the runner run, baby. We got less than a minute, 30 seconds till the 350 algorithm. I kind of want to just, I'm going to pull this back. I don't really care. I want to see if it's going to drop and then pop. YOLO, baby. One second. Oh! They needed to start ripping this straight back up if it's going to go. If it can't rip straight back up, then we're in trouble. We got to get back above that 440 level here. Someone in the chat said, like I said, tanking. Will you go fuck yourself? What'd you say? Tank. Hey, everybody, the market's going to tank. Yes, you're winning. Oh, my God, guys, watch out. It's tanking. Oh my God, what are we gonna do? The market's taking. Oh, no. God. It literally dropped 20 points, and the guy's in the chat celebrating that it's tanking. It's tanking. Guys, oh my God. Oh my God. What will we do? Ah! It's tanking. I told you guys. There, I told you guys. I told you it was gonna tank. The market makers want my stop loss. God damn it. I'm gonna move my stop up to the bottom of these candles now. If this thing starts ripping straight up, I swear to God, I will have officially I will be crowned the motherfucking #1 to ever do it right here, right now. Market makers want my one contract. It's taking. Bam 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 ba da ba ba ba. Bam bam ba ba da ba ba. Bam bam ba da ba ba ba. Bam bam ba ba da ba ba. Bam bam ba 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 da ba 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 ba. I put up a new video, by the way, new video for fast track trading. Talking about fast track trading. If you want to check it out, there's a link there in the chat. I'm still trading with Apex. Don't get all worked up and being like, Patrick, you're going to quit Apex? No. It's okay. You can have multiple prop firm accounts, you know, nothing wrong with that. There's no rule against having multiple accounts. So right now, just kind of market stuck here. Would you rather live in Hawaii or in Florida? They both have their benefits. Oh, God. Like I said, just kind of getting stuck there at the 440s. It happens. We're still up over 130 points, 40 points right now. So it's all right, you know. Hey, it's part of trading, you know. Sometimes if you want to get those big runners, you gotta hold them. You won't ever make money on big runners if you don't hold them. If you don't hold them, We got the 9:55 little pop coming up algorithm. We'll see if we get some more liquidity here. Get some more liquidity. Where the fuck is your entry? My entry was all the way down at 277, sir. 277s. You can see the little blue line down there. See it? See it? Love it? Want it? Want some more of it? I tried so hard. Can't rise above it. Don't know what I'm doing, but this market's stuck at the 430s for now. We had that break off the VWAP here. Remember, every amazing move in the market starts off of the VWAP. So right now, the VWAP bouncing it there earlier and just kind of stuck up here. Oh, Lord, they're coming for my stop. The market makers are coming. They're coming for my stop. They're coming. They're coming for my stop. God damn it. God damn you. The market, man. Damn it. Everyone in the chat's going to be like, I told you so, Patrick. I told you. I told you to take profit. I told you, Patrick. I told you. Patrick, why did you not take profit already? I told you to. You know, it's like if I would have listened to people in the chat, I would have taken profit, all the profit down at 19,300. So, you know, hey. The people in the chat ain't holding fucking 200 points. I'll tell you that. They ain't holding 200 points. They ain't holding no 200 points. All right, last 5 minutes here. Thunder, this is the thunder hour. Thunder, power down under. Ah! Everyone in the chat. MKICT said that it will tank. All right, let's see. MKICT said it will tank. Let's find out. Will it tank? It did not stop me out. The low of that candle right there was 410.75. 410.75. Jose said, take profit at 19,450. It's the top for today. Okay. Thanks, Jose. Once I start listening to the chat, that's when I will finally start learning to day trade. One day. I just can't do it just yet. I'm still learning about this whole trading thing. I mean, it's a free trade. I mean, at this point, who cares? Who cares? Like, if it goes up, it goes down, who cares? At least I had the balls. You know, at least I had the balls to hold the trade. You know, think about that. I had the balls to hold it, and it is what it is. So, suck on that. Suck on that, Jose. I got big balls and I cannot lie. My mama don't tell me why. But when I walk in, ICT looks and says, oh, them some big old balls. Patrick, do you ever add to winning trades? I do. Yes. At this point, I'm not going to add here just because it's the end of the day, and at this, I've kind of just, I'm not even really trading anymore. I'm just kind of laughing. I have made ICT my bitch. I'm telling you, in January 2025, how will he ever even talk anymore online? Like, how is any, like, it's like, at this point, it's like, just fucking, just admit it. Admit that you're never going to make 11,000% return. Stop. Like, you're not going to do it. It's not going to happen. You know, it's not going to happen. Oliver K asking me, Israel or Hamas? You really want to sucker me into that? I'm not even playing with that bullshit. I've said that before, and I'll say it again. I don't think there really is a good answer for either side. The Middle East, that area of the Middle East has been a war zone since the dawn of time. And I don't know the exact answer. All I know is that if you read the Bible and all that shit, yeah, it's been happening for fucking thousands of years. So I don't really think there's a good answer either way. I mean, like I said, I don't have all the answers. All I know is that part of the fucking, that shit, there's been the Crusades. They've been battling in Jerusalem and all that shit for fucking thousands of years. I have no fucking answer. I don't live there. I don't know anyone who lives there. So how am I going to give you an opinion? That would it's bullshit. All right, well, the market topped out here. I guess I got to get out now. I guess ICT it said it was gonna drop straight down. You're gonna drop straight down, taking the profit off. Look at that. Put that on the wall, bitches. Put that on the wall, bitches. This is why I love it. I love this shit so much. Getting to prove all the idiots in the chat wrong every day, over and over, and they just keep coming back. I think it's like a dominatrix thing. I think people literally they get off on it. They're like, man, I want to go to Patrick's stream and I want to say something stupid, and then I want him to grill me because it's gonna feel good because I'm a moron. Like people are like, they want to come here for that. Like they like it. They like the paid. They like the paid. All right. They like the pain. All right, there it is. Guess what tomorrow is? Let's clean off the desk. Let's get ready for the next trading day tomorrow. Tomorrow is Fresh Cash Friday. Yeah. I guess I'll go enjoy the surf now. I'll go surfing. So, because everybody in the chat is so fucking smart and taught me everything. And people on Twitter always tell me, like, Patrick, you don't know how to manage your money. You bought a Lambo. That's stupid, Patrick. Why would you buy? You should never buy a Lambo. I bought a Lambo. Not only did I buy a Lambo, now I'm putting $100,000 into the Lambo. I know I have issues, but that's the best part about it. I make money. I spend the money. I live. Because guess what? One day, I might be out standing in the backyard just looking out at the fucking ocean, and all of a sudden a coconut falls down, and the coconut hits me in the head. Guess what happens? I'm going to die from a fucking coconut. And what was the point of it all? I made all this money for what? To get killed by a coconut? Might as well make the fucking, spend the money while you got it, people. If you got it, spend it. Because you can't take it with you. You cannot take it with you, man. The best part about it is, guess what? I've been broke before, and I've been rich. Well, now I'm rich. I've been broke before, but now I'm rich. And the best part is, even if I was ever broke again, guess what? I would just be right back to where I started at. I'd be like, damn, I'm just right. Well, you know what I mean? Like, I'd just be right back to where I started. Like, I'd be like, hey, cool. Like, that was fun. I went all the way to the top, and now I'm just back where I started. So I got nothing to lose. I can lose everything tomorrow, and I would still be like, well, hey, I did it one time. I'll do it again. I'll build it up. I'll make millions. And that's the best part about it. Welcome to the Patrick Wieland America. You put in work, you put in the effort, you make the money, and everyone's going to hate you for it because they didn't do it. Everybody told me when I first started a YouTube channel, they're like, Patrick, don't do the YouTube. No one's going to watch your videos. No one's going to care about what you have to say on the internet. I'm like, okay, we'll see. We will see. And here I am Now the #1 day trader on YouTube. All right. And hey, but they told me, but Patrick, no one's going to, okay. Hey, that's fine. Now I get paid millions of dollars to sit on YouTube and just talk shit. It's amazing. I literally get paid millions of dollars to just sit here. But they told me that I could never do it. They told me I would never make money. They told me I could never, it was like, I did it. 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 Is Tate your role model? Bitch, I've been on fucking YouTube for 8 years. I've been doing this shit long before Andrew Tate even knew what the fuck Twitter was. What does it matter if you profit the world and lose your soul? I have not lost my soul. Don't you worry about me, my friend. That's my favorite. People think that like I have lost my soul because I literally go on YouTube and live stream. Patrick, you're going to lose your soul. God is not going to love you anymore because you go on YouTube and you say mean things. Well, guess what? Maybe, you know what I always wonder about? Like, people always are so quick to judge, but maybe it's you. Maybe you're the problem. Maybe your beliefs. Maybe your bullshit. Maybe that's the problem. What if God is actually like, yeah, I like Patrick. He's a straight shooter. He calls it as it is. He's a good guy. You know? He's not a piece of shit like all these other idiots on the internet that try to be friends with everybody and try to say, oh, let's all kumbaya. That ain't real. That ain't real shit. I'm the most real motherfucker on YouTube. Every day doing this. There it is. Thank you guys for watching. We'll be back tomorrow morning for Fresh Cash Friday. Fresh Cash Friday. The market is dumping. Watch out. It's going straight down here. It should be wild either way tomorrow. So I'm pretty good. I think my soul is good to go. I'm not worried about it. I know exactly who I am, what I've done, and where I've come from and where I'm going. So that decision for my soul is relying solely on the man above, not on some little fuck in my YouTube channel live stream. Because when I get to the gates of heaven, guess what? You ain't gonna be there, in the chat no more, going, but Jesus, you don't let him into heaven. He's bad. Don't let him in. No, my friends. I'm gonna walk up there and Jesus is gonna go, Patrick, come on in. There's no questions needed. We know who you are. We know what you bring to the table because you're a real motherfucker. All these other idiots out there fucking walking around, putting their hands together, acting like they're perfect little saints. Let's be honest. It's always the little perfect saints that have the weird shit going on in their closets, like putting that out there. I'm not, pointing fingers, but there's some weird motherfuckers out there. All right, I gotta go. I'm gonna go surfing. I got too much energy. I just had like a triple shot coffee here in Hawaii. This shit goes hard in the paint. I'll talk to y'all later on. Peace to the Middle East.